What's up, online shoppers? It is back to school time and it is time to get your lunchbox game on point. And these Bentgo lunchboxes are awesome. I have been buying Bentgo lunchboxes since 2014 and I'm not telling you how old I am, but they have been my go-to lunchbox for my kids and for myself for work. These are also one of my go-to gifts for the little people around me, for my nieces, for my nephews, for the children of my friends, because they're just so fun. Now this one here is a children's Bentgo lunchbox. It has a super fun pattern, 5 compartments for putting different lunch items in, and generally they rate this for children aged 3 to 7 years old. On top of that, you can pop them in the microwave, they definitely go in the dishwasher, and they have a great warranty. Now this one here is a gift for my friend's son, but I want to show you it before we open it up. And who doesn't love dinosaurs? Now when my boys were little, they were all about the dinosaurs, so I know a dinosaur lunchbox is always going to be a hit. Little card to tell you about the company and the product. Look at this. I love it. Oh my gosh. Look at how adorable that is. The dinosaurs are so cute. Bentgo has 20 plus patterns for you to choose from. Now, if this isn't your pattern, they've got pets, sharks, rainbows and puppies. You name it, they've got a pattern to tickle the fancy of your little guy or girl. What I like about them, first of all, is the compact size of them and how absolutely sealed they are. Now, they have a really nice silicone grip around the outside, so they're super easy to hold on to. And it also makes it so that when you sit it down on the table, look, they don't push around really easy. Like, they stay in place, and I'm putting some pressure on them. You know how the little guys and gals move around? Stuff can go everywhere. This holds it nice and secure on the table. As a matter of fact, it rocked my table and it didn't move it off the table. The latches are on the bottom at the front, and all you have to do is lift them up. Super easy for little fingers to operate. And when you open it up, voila, look at that. What a fantastic little compartment. So this is actually a 2-piece lunchbox because this little tray here comes out and you can pop it in the microwave to warm the food up. You can toss it in the dishwasher to clean it. Now, I generally don't wash these in the dishwasher. I just use a mild soap and a soft cloth because I don't want to scratch the sticker off the front, but I have never actually seen the sticker peel off. I just really like them, so I tend to hand wash them. In here, if you didn't remember, there are some reminders about putting it in the dishwasher, that it's okay, putting it in the microwave, that it's okay, and it can even go in the freezer too, which is pretty cool. Now, something else that's kind of cool about this is it doesn't like prop up. It actually lays completely flat. There's a special hinge on it like this, so that when you open it, the hinge actually drops it to this level, and then it will allow the lid to completely lay flat, which is another great thing because it doesn't make the lunchbox out of balance. So you can arrange your lunches in here however you want. These I always loved. I thought they were great on the road snack lunches. You can put a sandwich in here. You can put some carrots. You could put a little bit of peanut butter or something dipping like ketchup. You've got a place to put something like grapes or some kind of dessert or treat in here. And the beauty is that this comes out really easy. Now, it is directional because it has these little notches. These are the little notches that fit where the latch is right there. And it clicks into place. That's how you know how it's secure. Now let's look at the lid for a second. Now they obviously put some plastic on here to secure it for shipping. What is so cool about it, because this grippy silicone, which is the same that's all around the outsides here, this creates a complete seal around the edge of each one of these compartments. So even if you put ketchup in here, or if you put grapes in here and they're a little bit wet, and then you have a sandwich, this silicone forms a seal with the top of your tray, so the wet stuff stays wet and the dry stuff stays dry. And I think that is pretty awesome. So when you close it up like that and snap the lids closed, even if it gets shaken around, or if it gets set on its side, or if it gets put upside down, that silicone seal at the top keeps everything completely separated. And we all know how little kids don't like their food to touch, right? So this prevents the food that's in here from mixing with each other when it's fits in the lunch bag, and that is also a super attractive feature. Now, Bentgo also says that their lunch boxes are drop proof, so that if you drop them, there's this great rubberized edge that's going to absorb the shock of the fall, and you're not going to have a shattered lunchbox. Now, something else that's kind of cool about the Bentgo boxes, and that's one of the reasons why I started using the brand in the first place, is that a portion of the sale of every lunchbox goes to Feed the Children, which is a nonprofit organization that gives hope and resources to hungry families. Now, weight-wise, these are pretty substantial because of how well they're constructed, and because you have that removable inside tray, and because of how durable it is. Without any food in them, these weigh about 1.3 pounds. So fully loaded, you're looking at about 2 pounds in the back of a backpack. They do also come with super cute lunch carriers that you can slip these little lunch boxes into, and you can actually get prints on the lunch bag that matches this. That is a relatively new product, but boy oh boy are they ever cute. Your dimensions, these are 8.5 this way by 6.5 this way, and they are about 2.5 inches this way. So you can fit a fair amount of food in this little 5-compartment lunch bag. If you're looking to find a way to simplify the lunch routine for heading back to school, or you want a really fun gift for one of your little people in your life, these Bentgo lunch boxes are awesome. They have a ton of different fun patterns to choose from. This one here is rated for children from 3 to 7. 5 compartments, easy open latches, but also easy close, completely sealable lid that's mess free so that the food doesn't mix, easy to fill compartments, a removable tray that comes out that you can toss in the dishwasher or the microwave, easy to wash case, drop proof, and fantastic. Definitely a top pick at my house, and definitely over the years, these have been family favorites.